'Cause His love and His wisdom will be our helping hand. I know the truth and His word will be our salvation. Lift up our hearts to be thankful and glad that Jesus is love. He won't let you down, and I know He's mine. Deep down in my soul, Jesus is love. Oh, yes, He won't let you down, and I know He's mine, all mine, forever. In my heart, help me. Wherever it leads me, I don't mind, Lord. I hope you don't mind. I want to walk with you, talk with you, do all the things you want me to do. 'Cause I know that Jesus is love. I know that. And if you
Jesus is Love, Lionel Richie with the Commodores. And once again, quiz question with prizes at the end of the month. Which is the longest chapter in the Holy Bible? Or what is the longest chapter in the Holy Bible? Please do check and worry about it. Get to learn more about the man who could walk on water. His achievements will make you feel elated and inspired. You'll be dancing on your feet and doing handstands and stuff.
Everywhere that you may go, we're jamming in the street. All the people that you meet, dance to the beat. If you come to New York City, you'll never be the white when you see us city kids spinning on our backs. I like the way he does that dance when he got to go. You know it really blows my mind. I
Doesn't that bring back memories of my TV show called Sounds on Saturday back in the day? They were called Break Machine, and they were doing the street dance. And you know what? That puts play to our playlist for today. Sounds on Saturday is available online 24/7 at John on the microphone, and also airs in Canada via 263 network, thanks to Chancel, West Germany via galaxyradio.net, courtesy DJ Nyams, and of course from the United Kingdom via Zambezi Soul Radio, and that's thanks to DJ Brian Zulu and my power DJ Vibe. Well, bye to our listeners on Classic 263 Radio. Thank you, DJ Hotcat, and to Rediva the Queen, who's been on the spin for Sounds on Saturday. Name is John the Boss at your service, and I've been on the case for the joy business, but I've been nothing without you. See ya.
Sounds on Saturday is the place to be for fun on Saturdays. It's the soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives. Send them over via text or voice notes and automatically qualify for prizes galore, like airtime vouchers, food vouchers, celebrity autographed t-shirts and caps, cash prizes, bicycles. The list is endless. Listen out for details. Our updated WhatsApp details are: the local number is +263 719 498 651. That number again is +263 719 498 651. Our international number is +44 7751 022 922. That number again is +44 7751 022 922. Let's have some fun on Sounds on Saturday.
Keep this frequency clear.